GMOs. The issue. Define. GMO is the abbreviation for genetically modified organism. A GMO is an organism whose genome has been altered by genetic engineering so that its DNA contains one or more genes normally not found in the organism. The issue. How they work. When an organism has a problem, whether it be growing slow, disease, size, or anything that can harm an organism, including disease or a certain type of organism, they need to be genetically modified. They often take a gene from an organism that has the property that they desire, and they splice it into the other one. The way they do this is with bacterial DNA. The bacterial DNA goes inside of the system, but the DNA needs to be cut. They use an enzyme called a restriction enzyme to cut the bacteria to join the enzyme. The impact. The impact to the organism, well, it makes the organism toxic. We don't really know the effects that it can do to anything, and it's very unpredictable for humans. It's really not quite safe yet. The positive. It helps farmers, prevents disease, prevents bugs and rodents. Plants have a higher chance of living and conserves water because it needs less. The negative, it has a bad effect on the environment. One example of an animal they're killing is the monarch butterfly. It has safety risks to anything that comes close to it because of all the toxics that are coming off of it. The environment, I chose the environment for this part of it. It's a big debate whether GMOs are bad or good for the environment, but one thing's for sure is that they have an impact no matter what, it's good or bad. It's still an impact. GMOs may have toxic or non-toxic organisms. They definitely have non-targets such as bees and butterflies, but still they're being killed off. Bees are currently almost gone. They have a very small population. Bees are hugely important to the pollution of many foods, crops, and they're slowly dying off. Citations.